In today's instruction video, we'll show you how to install the YoungStar rubber matting. First of all, start with cleaning your surface. Make sure it is as clean as possible. Remove all stones, all debris, all dirt, as it might affect the quality of the finished job. Temperature affects the install of the rubber. Ideally between 10 and 30 degrees. Anything colder, the rubber might contract. Anything warmer, the rubber will expand. This might affect the quality of the job. Best practice is to bring the mats on site so they can climatize to the conditions. Now we will show you how to lay the mats. We use a string line to ensure we have a straight edge and allow 5 to 10 mil between any hard surfaces and the rubber mats. When there's a solid wall in place, you can use that as your straight line. Just make sure you allow 5 to 10 mil of expansion gap. Now the next step is laying the mats down. So we'll show you how to do this. Have your string line ready and a layout plan. When installing the YoungStar mats, make sure the lugs are altered, not even beside each other. This is very important for optimum performance to stop cattle from slipping. So now we have laid out all the mats in the most optimum way we can. So now we can go over to the cutting in of the mats. So for today's install, these are the tools you'll need. So a string line, tape measure, marking pen or a crayon, use a craft knife, plenty of spare blades. We have a straight edge or a spirit level. You can use a ruler as well. So we'll need a rotary hammer drill with a 6mm masonry bit, SDS Plus we use. So you'll need an impact driver with a T40 star bit on to put the screws in the ground. Have a jigsaw, make cutting a bit easier, ear protection and safety glasses. So during the cutting in process you might encounter problems like in this case here where you got a half circle to cut in. The best way to do that is fill in the gaps with some of the offcuts you might have. Now we use our string line again from the center of our circle to come back this way to mark off on the mats. So now we'll use the box cutter to cut the rubber. To make the cutting easier, sometimes easy to put a level or a bar underneath. That way the rubber will open up and it will be easier to cut. So now we'll show you how to cut in a post. We use a hole saw kit. We determined where the center of the post is. And we'll use the hole saw kit to mark out where we're going to use the jigsaw. In the YoungStar 32 there are 12 recesses for anchor screws. We recommend a minimum of 6 for low traffic areas. In high traffic areas we recommend 12 screws. For the YoungStar 20 use all 12 anchoring screws.